Hey everyone, it's been a while since my last update. This is the backyard as it exists now. I've recropped all of these beds at least a couple of times now. What you see in the front here are some tomatoes, and then here's a closer view of those same tomatoes. These were planted super late, but I'm glad to get something. This is basil on the right, and then some bird and bee mix on the left. These are my summer squash next to some lettuce. Close up of this one of the bigger squash plants. And this is some burlap I have over some field microgreens I'm trying, just broadcasted arugula and spinach seed. This is a view from underneath. This is the spinach seed coming up, and this is the arugula. Came up a little quicker, and that's what it looks like. These are some raspberry plants I transplanted. This bed is all tomatoes, several varieties. This is just kind of a walk around tour of these tomatoes. Sorry for getting motion sickness. It looks like it's undulating a little bit. These are some interesting varieties though. These are, I believe, black pearl tomatoes. So they're smaller, so they should ripen sooner, which will give me some at least some fruit. Like I said, these were planted very late, but I've had good success with these beds this time around. I haven't had any slug problems to speak of really. I have been having issues with flea beetles, but nothing that's gotten out of hand. I did have some turnips that were pretty much a total loss, but everything else has been doing well, and I'm happy to say I think this is a huge improvement from the straw bales.